Okay, so next we're going to move on to doing an evening eye, and we're going to do it slightly smoky but with a little bit of an aubergine sort of colour to it, so a bit different from a standard smoky eye. I'm going to start off by using one of the Glow Precision eye pencils. This one is in Plum. So just making sure it's nice and warmed up on the back of my hand. And I'm going to go straight in, and you can do this really quite a thick line. You've got to be quite bold with it. The smoky look is not for the faint-hearted. And you don't have to worry too much about exactly how the line looks, because you're going to be smudging it anyway. And the trick to using these purpley colours is actually to make sure that you put enough of them on, because if you only do it faintly, it doesn't look like purple, it looks like you're tired. So you have to make sure that you're actually getting, that really nice pigment through there. And if you just open, and then just look up for me, and we're going to join it up right around the side here and come underneath. So again, the same thing, you want to make sure that it's definitely purple. It just gives a really nice warmth to Christina's brown eyes. It just really brings them out. I'm also going to do inside the waterline, but I'm going to do that last because it's the most comfortable way to do it, is to do that last. So just making sure we've got the same shape either side. Next, I'm going to take the little smudge brush that we used earlier, and I'm going to smudge the liner. And so I'm going to do a little flicking motion, flicking it upwards. So the benefit to doing the liner first as well is that it creates this little sort of, slightly tacky base for eyeshadow to cling to really nicely. And then we can start building in some dark greys on top of the purple. And then just look up for me. Okay, so you've got quite a nice bright colour there. And then we're going to take a little bit of a medium sort of grey. So we're going to take the grey, this grey out of the smoky eye kit, and we're going to start blending that into the outer corners as well. So I'm using the mini crease brush. I'm just taking it on the back of my hand, and this is to minimise the fallout that you get under the eyes. So you're working it into the brush. So it's all about the blending. So we're just blending it into the outer corners. Just open them and just close for me. So I'm just taking it a bit further out than we took any of our daytime eyeshadows. And I'm just going to use a clean brush just to take over the top. And blending in. So I'm going to just take that smoky grey colour as well underneath the eye on top of the purple liner. Just open for me.